Good morning, children. See, yesterday we saw in these lines and angles. This is exercise 4.3 only. Still we are 4.3 only. In this 4.3, exercise 4.3, in this 4.3, 15th. In this 15th also, yesterday in previous video we completed first one. Today we are seeing second one. See, if two lines are parallel, AB is parallel to CD, then EF is a transversal. EF is a transversal. What about this? They meet, this transversal meets the parallel lines at GH. Now see here, these two angles, what are those angles? If AB is parallel to CD, if AB is parallel to CD, angle EGB, angle EGB is equals to angle GHD, angle GHD. Why? Because these two angles are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal, but they didn't give any value for you. Exactly, they didn't give any value, but they are in the linear equation. These two are linear equations, no? Even though we can solve those two equations. See, just write, what is this one? EGB is nothing but 2x plus 15 is equals to, here GHD, angle GHD is nothing but 3x minus 20. Now what you have to do? See, this one is in equation form. We can't solve it. Just we have to leave. No, you should not think like that. See, you have to take the all variable terms to the left hand side and all the constant terms to the right hand side, and then solve the x variable. How to solve? See, 2x, this 3x transpose to the left hand side, plus 3x. So if you transpose, minus 3x. Here minus 20. If you transpose plus 15 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 15. So here 2x minus 3x, different symbols. If you have different symbols, you have to subtract. 3 minus 2, 1x. 1x means just x you have to write. Before big number, minus symbol is there. Put minus symbol, is equals to minus minus. Same symbols means you have to add. Do sum. 20 plus 15 is nothing but 35. Before big number, minus symbol is there, so put minus. If you have minus on both sides, multiply with, divide by minus on both sides. That means minus minus gets cancelled. So x is equals to 35. We got the x value. He asked you to find out the x value only. That's why x value is equals to 35 degrees. X value is equals to 35 degrees. Here also you have to find out the x value. But if you see here also same. AB is a line and CD is another line which is parallel. These two lines are parallel lines and they meet GH. This is a transversal which meets the line. This is a transversal. EF is a transversal which meets the parallel lines at G, H. See, these two angles, if you observe the two angles, if AB is parallel to CD, what will happen? These angles are on the same side of the transversal. In inner side only, but same side on the transversal. So what are those angles? The angles which are on the same side of the transversal is 180. So angle BGH, angle BGH plus angle GHD, that means this angle GHD is equal to 180. What is the reason for this one? Angles on the same side of the transversal is 180. Angles on the same side, angles on the same side of the transversal is 180. So this is This is the reason why we wrote 180 degrees. So what is BG? BGH 4x minus 23. Next here 3x plus GHD is nothing but 3x is equal to 180 degrees. Now add the variable terms 4x 3x, same term, like terms. That's why we have to add 4x 3x 7x. So take this constant term to the transpose it to the right hand side, that is minus 23 becomes plus 23 plus 23, it becomes 3 8 plus 2 10 1 1 203, it becomes 203. See here 0 0 plus 3 3 only, 8 plus 2 10 1 0, so 203. So x is equals to I'll write here, see, x is equals to, if you transpose this 7 to the right hand side, it becomes 203 by 7. So 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 6 is the remainder, 9s are, so x is equal to 29 degrees. X is equal to 29 degrees is the answer. So in this way we can solve the problems. If you know that 4 laws, we can write any problem, we can solve any problem in our own way. Okay, next one, that is 16th one. See the 16th one, if AB is parallel to 16th one, if AB is parallel to CD, if AB is parallel to CD, T is a transversal intersecting E and F. T is a transversal. This line we can keep as T is a transversal. It intersects E comma F. Intersection point is E comma F. Intersect the parallel lines. So what are the angles here? What are the angles? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But what he has given, this everything he has given, and he told angle 2 is to angle 1 is equals to 5 is to 4. See, observe here, angle 2, angle 1. If you observe this angles on the same straight line forms 180 degrees. Or we can also say that these two are linear pair. Angle 2 comma angle 1 are linear pair. So those two angles becomes 180 degrees. So 5 is to 4. We can solve it now like this. They are in the ratio form. That's why I took 5x plus 4x is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees. That means because why? Because they are linear pair or they forms angles on the straight line. The angles on the straight line is equals to 180 degrees. In that way also you can take 5x plus 4x is equals to 9x. 9x is equals to 180. X is equals to 9. It is multiplying here. If you transpose to the right hand side, it becomes division. So 180 by 9. So 9 ones, 9 twos, 18, 9 zeros are 0. So x is equal to 20. We got x is equal to 20. But what he asked you, find the measure of the marked angles. Find the measure of each of the marked angles. So each and every angle we have to mark. See, now x is 20 means what about the angle? See, angle 2. What about the angle 2? Angle 2 is equal to 5x. So 5 into x. 5x is nothing but 5 into x is nothing but 20. 5 2s are 5 zeros are 0. 5 2s are 10. So 100. Angle 2 is 100. See, if angle 2 is 100 means this is vertically opposite angles are also equal. So angle 4 also 100 only. If angle 2 is 100, angle 4 is also 100. If angle 4 is 100, see, this angle is corresponding to this angle. Angle 4 is is equals to angle 8. This is also 100 degrees only, angle 8. If angle 8 is, see, if angle 2 is 100 degrees, angle 6 also 100 degrees. Why? Because these two are corresponding angles. So 100 degrees, angle 6 also 100 degrees. See, these two angles are also 100 degrees. These two angles are also 100 degrees. So we can easily say that angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Why? Because vertically opposite angles, and angle 2 is equals to angle 6 is equals to, these two are vertically opposite and these two are corresponding angles. So angle 8 is equals to 100 degrees. These are all congruent to this angle 2. Now we'll see the angle 1. Angle 1 is nothing but 4. So 4x. We'll find angle 1 is equals to 4x. We know the x value. What is the x value? 4 into 20. 4 2s are 80. So 80 degrees. Now we'll see which angles are equals to, or congruent, or equal to this angle 1. Angle 1 is equals to angle 3. See, angle 1 is 80 degrees. So in the same way, these two are vertical opposite angles, no? This is also 80 degrees. If this is 80, what is the corresponding angle of this 3? Is absolutely 7. So this also 80 degrees. If this is 80, what is the corresponding angle? Angle 5. So this also 80 degrees. So angle 1 is equals to angle 5 are corresponding angles, and angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. So this is also equal. And for this angle 3, angle 7 is corresponding angle. So that is also equal. That is nothing but 80 degrees. So we got all the angles. If you know one angle, we can find all the remaining angles in this way. See here, angle 1 we got, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Totally we got all the, we can find all the angles. If you know that rules, if two lines are parallel, if a transversal intersects two lines at two distinct points, if you know one angle, you can find all the remaining angles. Okay, thank you.